we are going to earn money by watching the videos of our favorite YouTubers. In this video, we will learn how to do this. To earn money, you need to have this app Make Money Giveaway Videos. After installing and creating the account, you can find and watch the videos of your favorite YouTuber in the first part of this app. For example, I want to see one of MrBeast videos. When I click on one of the videos, it shows me an ad that these are like YouTube ads, but you earn the money. This app and other monetization app get their income from advertisements, and in this way they pay you an income. When you watch the videos, it gives you some coins every 5 or 6 seconds, which it shows you in the upper part. Of course, you can multiply the playback speed and earn faster without reducing the number of coins. Well, let me give you some information about the coins. You will be paid 1 cent for every 10,000 coins you collect, and you can withdraw your money by collecting at least 20 cents. The second way to earn money from this app is that you only see the recommended ads, which you can access from this section, and also download the suggested programs in this section and receive coins. But the third way that I strongly suggest is subgrouping. When you subgroup, 10% of the income of each subgroup will be paid to you without deducting from your subgroup account. If you want to be a member of my sub-series, be sure to use the link in the description of the video. Finally, to withdraw income, it is enough to convert your coins to dollars from the wallet section and earn your income by choosing one of the withdrawal methods. And be sure to join the Telegram channel to see proof of withdrawal. A link in the comment section.